It's time for another product quick view. Hey, today we're taking a look at the Tempo Irrigation Specialist Toolkit. Their part number ITK-SPECIALIST. And there's a quick look at everything that's included in the kit. Now this does include the Station Master Pro right there, chatter mode for audible, locating of valves, test and activate solenoids, send tone to identify wires, traces valve wiring, nice bed of nails right there, so there's no wire stripping required. And the valve solenoid locates and tests for continuity independent of the controller. That's pretty nice. Now we have the Pro Milliamp clamp meter. Typical uses of this meter is for, let's see, 2-wire irrigation voltage and resistance measurements, landscape lighting, wiring systems, current measurements for pumps, lighting systems, etc. Got a backlit display, auto power off. Looks like it includes a couple AAA batteries, that's convenient. And Toshiba, well, that's a good brand. Now next there we have the PM-100 Pocket Multimeter. Powers up in automatic mode, AC voltage, DC voltage, resistance. Manual selection of each function, continuity, electrical field, voltage detector, volts AC, volts DC. 6,000 count, large digital LCD display. Now there's the nice pair of wire strippers right there. And this cable cutter will do up to 6-gauge cable. That's pretty good. And Paladin's known for making some high-end quality tools. Also includes a needle nose for butt splices, the URs, UIs, UGs. That comes in handy. And there's the 6-in-1 screwdriver. Multi-bit screwdriver, precision machined, hardened steel bits. That's pretty nice. High grade, rust resistant. Nice chrome plated finish. Cushion grip handle. Now there's the case. The case is a really nice case along with the rest of these tools. I mean, it feels very durable. The bottom of it there's leather, so that should last you a really long time. Got all kinds of pockets in there. And hopefully, you know, it feels like you're going to hang on to this for, I don't know, forever. Probably you'll probably have it until you lose it somewhere. To order online and for more information, spec sheets, that sort of thing, visit discountlowvoltage.com. Thank you.